Open houses are a common tool used by agents to showcase properties to potential buyers. But, are they really worth it? Well, let's explore the pros and cons of open houses for both clients and agents. I'm coming to you from an open house. Today is Sunday, and typically open houses are held on Sundays from the hours of 2 to 4 p.m. Now, open houses offer significant exposure for your property, attracting a wide range of potential buyers. From a convenience standpoint, they provide a convenient way for buyers to view multiple properties in one go, saving them a lot of time and effort. Immediate feedback. Clients will receive immediate feedback from potential buyers, helping them gauge interest and making necessary adjustments. One of the things I love most is the personal interaction. In an open house, it allows me to interact with potential buyers and find out their likes and dislikes of the home and then adjust as necessary. However, open houses do come with their own set of challenges. So you get a lot of tire kickers. Some attendees may have no intention of buying and are merely tire kickers, wasting the agent's time and resources. Limited reach. Despite their exposure, open houses may not reach all potential buyers, especially those who prefer private viewings or online listings. You also get a lot of nosy neighbors just wanting to take a peek around the corner. Now, in conclusion, open houses can be a valuable tool in the real estate arsenal, offering exposure, convenience, personal interaction. However, they also come with security risks and attract non-serious buyers and can be costly. Ultimately, the decision to host an open house should be carefully considered based on your specific needs and circumstances, and also the strategy used to sell your home. This is Ash Ellis at an open house. Who you work with matters.